Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. The reason I'm coming on here today is just a quick little update because I haven't been on for a while. I know I haven't, and a lot of you are asking where I am. I'm still here. I've just been working and I've been busy at home. There's lots of stuff doing. I've got a couple of different things I'm going to show you just quickly. I can't show you properly because I'm on my way to work and I've got some other things to do before I get there. But I've been painting the room because I wanted my videos to be nice and bright for you for when I do my makeup tutorials, because I'm still doing them. I just needed to get things sorted. So I've painted, as you can see, I've painted over that horrific wallpaper. I still don't know where to look on the camera because it's a new phone. Martin's upgraded us to the iPhone 12, because I've been dying to get upgraded so I can do better quality videos for you. And when I use my friend Laura's, I think she's got, maybe it's the Pro or the Max, but the quality is just amazing. And I was a bit jealous. I thought, oh, mine look really old and smelly and dark. But I think the quality's much better. You'll have to let us know, give us some feedback. So I've painted the wallpaper white. I've just painted the whole room white. I've got a couple of more coats to do on this side. And then I'm going to paint that wardrobe as well. I'm going to get some wood paint and do that properly. I'm going to get the chain, I'm going to get rid of them curtains and get some white ones so it's nice and bright in here. And then I can bring all my stuff back in and add the colour, because it was just doing my head, and it was like a dark dungeon in here. And I know you don't mind the videos, but it really bugged me to the point where I didn't like coming on here sometimes. So things have got to be right. I'm a bit of a Goldilocks. Yeah. It's got to be right or I can't deal with it. So that's that. The other thing, I'm going to go into detail and do a proper video and show you everything. But I'm just so excited to share them with you because they've just arrived. My PLouise stuff for the course finally arrived. We waited ages. So they've come. I've had my first tutorials through. I haven't looked at them properly yet. I've watched one or two, but I've just been so busy. It's not even funny. So 2 big boxes like this arrived. Look at that. I'll show you it all. Like, I'll show you briefly. So there's some brow stuff, which I love because I haven't got any brow stuff actually. Everything else but brows. So a palette, a big Pro palette to put all the eyeshadows that came in. I'll show you them. And then we've got 2 of these for our blush. Again, I'm going to show you all this properly when I've got more time. I've just got so much to do this morning. I don't really get much time to myself at the minute to do these things, and I've not felt, I felt a bit meh, I've got to be honest. I always promised if I felt like that I wouldn't come on here. But I'm feeling a bit better now. So I've got some bases in there. They're colour tone bases. And then some real acid rain ones. They're the ones, the Mama Mitchell. Yeah, Mama Mitchell. Then we've got some more bases. Oh no, they're lipsticks and cheeks and stuff like that. I can't wait to use them. You know me, I love creamy products for cheeks and lips and stuff. And then in this one, I've got all the brushes. I'll go through them and show you them all. Really exciting. And then the other box. Oh, and in that box, this was one of the things I was looking forward to the most, the brow balm. Now, I have never had brow balm ever. Don't laugh. I used to do my brows with the pear soap, so it sticks up. Do you know what I mean? But I did my cousin Kendall's because the boxes arrived when Kendall was here. So she's got like blonder brows, like kind of mousy brown blonde brows. And it worked lovely on hers because hers are quite thin. Mine, however, looked like big, slippy, slimy slugs. So I need to perfect that a bit better before I go walking around with this on. Because it kind of looked a bit scary. Like someone had stuck them onto my head. And I just didn't want to be seen out looking like that. So I have some work to do. This is the next box. And I love the stuff in here. Honestly, just mega chock full. So you get this PLouise. Thank you for choosing the course thing. This I'm excited to use. A big collection of eyelashes. So, because we're going to have to put them on my models. And a lot of the PLouise stuff, if you look, it's proper out there makeup. It's like when I did all my makeup years ago and I used all these colours and things, I thought I was out there. No, this is. So then you've got this planner, this diary thing, which is really good, but I'm not really a planner type of diary girl, so this is probably going to get collecting dust. I don't know. I might give it away. Probably give it away. I'm not a planner girl. I've got a diary which I write in, and I don't know. I've always wanted to be one of these people, but I ain't organised, so who am I kidding? So we'll put that there. Right, this is exciting. So we've got, there's all those. Now, Ashley bought me these a long time ago. So, Ashley, you're getting these ones back. because you can't be without. You give me them, so you get these ones. But there's no point in having two. I'll never get through them, I don't think. There's all your natural bases. You know, the one I've got, the Rumour 1, Rumour 2, Rumour 3, Rumour 4, going right up. So if I can use all them on different colour models. I'm dead excited, because I don't have stuff like that myself. So you see, I love them. Love. And then this bit's the best bit, I think. So it's a massive pack of blush, bronze, eyeshadow. There's some pretty cool colours in there I can see. Again, I haven't even opened this. I've not had the chance, and I've had this box for I want to say a week now, a week and a half, and I haven't had a chance. Honestly, it's crazy, but I'll get all that sorted. In the meantime, I've just been going to work. I haven't put much makeup on, just a bit of mascara look, maybe a bit of me eyeliner if I can be bothered, but 10 to 1 if I'm in a hurry it goes wrong, so I don't bother. I'm loving me foundation though. I do wear this a lot. I love Doll 10 Beauty foundation, and the brush I just love. But I've noticed my skin, as I'm getting older, it's discoloured in places, so I need to like where I've caught the sun and it just looks dark, and where I've had acne off polycystic ovaries, you've got like discoloration and stuff. So I've been using, where is it, this here, Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Now I've only been using it for a week. I haven't seen massive amounts of difference, but I've seen a little bit. But I don't know if that's just because I'm excited and I want it to work. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to have to go. But I just wanted to let you know I am here and I miss you all. Thanks for asking where I am. I hope you are keeping well. Let us know. And the next video you get will probably be me going through the boxes properly and showing you everything. And I'll probably do a little brow tutorial once I've figured it out. And like I said, the tutorials have come through now. I think I got 4 this month, so I'm going to get practicing, and then I can do a look for you using, I'm going to do like a PLouise out there look with all the colours and the, you know, the foundation. That's what we didn't get sent. We didn't get foundations or anything like that, or mascara. Gotta use your own. But it doesn't matter, I'll sort all that out. Anyway, I hope you're keeping well. See you on a bit. Zoom.